Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off auto enhance on iPhone photos and camera. So guys, if you want to turn off auto enhance on your iPhone and photos and camera, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then you have to search for photos. And now you have to tap on photos, and from here scroll it below, and from here you have to simply check this to keep original. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply turn off enhanced visual search as well. So guys, simply turn it off, and after this go back and now search for the camera app, and now open camera and go to settings, and from here tap on formats and turn off high efficiency. After this go to preserve settings, and from here you have to simply turn off exposure adjustment if it is on. So guys, simply turn it off, and after this go back and from here scroll it below and turn off smart HDR on your iPhone's camera as well. So as here you can see this, you have to simply turn off as well. So I simply do this, and after this the auto enhance feature will no more work on your iPhone photos and camera. So guys, in this way you can also turn off auto enhance on iPhone photos and cameras on your device as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.